In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 controller not charging. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying when your PlayStation controller is dying, kind of like mine is, and it's just not charging for you. So the first thing you want to go ahead and try and do is try and use a different USB-C wire. If you're trying to charge it through your PS5, like having your controller connected to your PS5 using a wire, try and just plug this into a portable charger instead using a USB-C wire, or try and connect it to like a wall charger unit if you want to, or if you can. See if that works. The next thing you want to do is where it has like your little charging port, make sure there's not any dust in there because, anything that's interfering could make sure that it's not charging. So go ahead and try that and see if that works as well. Also, if there's any water or any liquid around that area, don't try and, pat dry or anything. Let it air dry. Just have your controller like this, shake anything out, and just let it air dry and then try charging it, because then that should work. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.